Before you order your Serena shades, you will need to measure your windows. In this video, we will show you how to measure for a roller shade mounted inside the window frame. Following these easy guidelines will help ensure that you order the proper size shade for your window. First, measure the depth of your window frame to make sure that the bracket mounting surface is at least 3/4 of an inch. For shades with fascia, the shade may protrude from the trim if the depth of clearance is less than 3.5 inches. Shades without fascia will require 3 1/8 inches. You should also make sure that any window hardware, such as a crank handle, will not get in the way of the shade when you lower it. It's important to note that when selecting a regular roll shade, the fabric can be as close as 3/4 inches away from the back of the bracket when rolled up. If you select a reverse roll, the fabric will be 2 5/8 inches away from the back of the bracket when unrolled. Then, measure the width of the window at the top of the frame, making sure to measure within the window jambs. Please note that there will be a light gap of 5/8 of an inch per side for roller shades with fascia and 1/2 inch per side for roller shades without fascia. Do not make any deductions to the width measurement. We will make a deduction of 1/16 of an inch per side for inside-mounted shades to allow for proper operation. Next, measure the height. Measure from the underside of the soffit to the surface of the windowsill in the left, center, and right of the window. Write down the largest of these 3 measurements, rounding up to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. We won't make any deductions to the height. And that's it! Now you can order your Serena shades. If you have any questions, please call 855-573-7362 to speak to a Serena shade specialist.